Hello everyone, this is Gentleman on Motorcycles and welcome back to our next video. So this video is all about DJI Osmo Action Camera. So before we get to unbox that product, I'll tell you brief about what are the basic essential products which I use to make our YouTube video, how I edit it and how I get it to you. So let's get started. It's been 3 to 4 months we are on the YouTube. So a lot of our friends keep on asking ki what are the basic equipments you use to make a video. So we are beginners and we can't invest huge amounts just on buying cameras and other stuff. So we pretty much started with our phone, that is iPhone 12. We shoot our 90% of our videos are shot on iPhone 12. It's way convenient, it's way easier, it's very easy to shoot outdoors. For an example, you can shoot a 3 to 4 hour video on iPhone 12, easily share it to your laptop using AirDrop, or in fact you can edit it in your iPhone itself and upload it to YouTube. Whereas if you try to shoot the same kind of video with your GoPro, you will only be able to shoot it for like 30 minutes. So, and using a phone is way convenient. Everybody has a phone, so everybody should technically start from a phone. So the next equipment which I have is DJI Gimbal 3. So this is DJI's Gimbal Mobile 3 actually. I have the combo tripod included with the package. So this is a very good equipment. I'm truly happy with this equipment. This will take your mobile photography and videos to a next level. So if you are shooting videos for YouTube, or let's say you are shooting a video for your family or traveling, this makes shooting video way convenient and easy. I think this is a very not too costly product, and I think this is a must-have. So next product which I have is this action camera. This is an action camera from a company called Akasho. Not so costly, it's a very affordable camera. This is capable of shooting videos up to 4K. But then when it comes to shooting videos in night as well as when, even in daytime, the colors are little bit faded. So it was getting the job done, but then we wanted to upgrade to match up the quality of riding videos to the quality of our iPhone videos. So so the next small things which I have is this spider tripod mounting phone to the helmet, and the tripod which the current phone is mounted on. So when it comes to editing videos, so guys, I edit my videos on MacBooks. So I have a MacBook Pro and a MacBook Air. Both are pretty much powerful enough to edit the videos. It's way easy. If you shoot a video from iPhone, you can directly plug your cable or transfer the videos using AirDrop. So this is my setup where I actually do most of my editing. Other than I use this Sony headphones. These are active noise cancelling headphones. I actually forgot the name of these headphones, but these are way too good. So most of the audio things I do using these headphones. Let's get to unboxing DJI Osmo Action Camera. So guys, we received this package today morning in date. So let's try to wrap this bag out and get to what's inside. Here is the bill. Here is the action camera. Quite compact packaging, I must say. So it says MRP 33,999, but absolutely it's not that much costly. It says made in China. So the specs it says is dual screen, HDR, 4K, waterproof up to 11 meters, rock steady. I don't have no clue about that one. 4K 60 FPS, that's good. 1080p at 8x zoom, and other specifications are there. So let's peel this thing out and see. So we have opened it. So here is the action camera. Let's keep it aside and let's see what other things are there in the box. So here are the mounting brackets on the helmet. I think this is the battery. Yeah, battery and the charging case. Here is one more mounting and the cable, and there is one more thing inside. Some paperwork which we'll go through later. Yes, and that's it. So let's keep this box aside and get to the action camera. Okay, it's quite compact. So trust me, it's smaller than GoPro Hero 9. And this thing is good that it comes with its own case. Opening the case and getting the camera out first time is kind of tricky. I mean, I think I have to, yeah. So this is the camera. This thing feels really sturdy in the hand. Build quality is really good. Let's see what are the ports it has. So here is the power button. Here's the record button, and here's the power button. And I think here goes the cable. Yes, I guess so. Yes. So here goes the memory card, and as well as the USB-C type cable. You can use a USB-C type cable to charge this. I'm not sure exactly about how the mic thing will work. We'll figure it out and we'll let you know in the further videos. Let's put the battery and see if there's any juice in this. Let's peel the plastics off. Let's try to turn it on and see if there is any battery. Yes, it turned on. Okay. Okay, this is a touch screen. Oh, no, nice. So there's a setup going on here. Let's try to. I'll set it up later because I set it up in the same phone where I'm trying to record this video. So I'll